In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove echo in Microsoft Teams meetings. If you've ever been in a Teams call and noticed your voice bouncing back, or heard distracting background sounds that make conversations harder to follow, adjusting your audio settings can make a big difference. One of the quickest ways to reduce the echo and improve overall call quality is by turning on noise suppression directly inside Microsoft Teams. I'll walk you through exactly where to find it and what to expect. To begin, open your Microsoft Teams app. Make sure you're inside the desktop app and not just viewing Teams in a browser, since the settings layout can sometimes be different. Once the app is open, look toward the top right corner of the Teams window. You'll see the three dots there, which open the More Options menu. Go ahead and click those three dots. This menu gives you access to several account and app settings, and it's where you'll find the audio controls we need. From that menu, click Settings. This will open the main settings panel for Microsoft Teams, where you can customize different parts of the app, including notifications, appearance, and device preferences. Inside Settings, click Devices. This section is where Teams lets you manage your microphone, speakers, camera, and other audio-related options. If you're dealing with echo, this is an especially useful area to check because it helps Teams process your sound more clearly during meetings and calls. Now, look for the noise suppression option. Once you find it, toggle it on. Turning this setting on helps Teams reduce unwanted background audio and can also help limit the kind of sound issues that contribute to echo, especially in rooms with hard surfaces or when a microphone is picking up speaker output. After enabling it, Teams will begin using that setting in your calls. If you want the best results, it's also a good idea to use headphones during meetings whenever possible. Keep your microphone away from your speakers and make sure only one device in the room has its audio unmuted in the same call. Those habits work well alongside noise suppression and can improve your meeting audio even more. And that's it. Open Microsoft Teams, click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Settings, select Devices, and turn on noise suppression. It's a simple adjustment, but it can make your meeting sound much cleaner and more professional.